Hi parents and students, this is how you are going to access KidBlog at home. You're going to start by typing in kidblog.org and it'll take you to this page. And then you'll look for this red Students button. Go ahead and click on that. Once you get there, it'll prompt you to enter a secret code from your teacher. That code for my class is BDNX25. Not 25, just 15, BDNX25, then you'll click join. Once you click join, you'll be prompted to enter your display name and your password. The display name for your student is the one that I distributed to you on back to school night, and the password I also gave to you then. I created a sample one just for now for you to see. So this is that. And then once you enter your password and your username, you'll click create my account. Okay, so now it brings you to your dashboard page, and this is where it can get a little confusing for students, so I'll need your help to show them at home. But as soon as they get here, you will click on My Classes, and this is where our class is. It's the 6th grade Earth Science class. So you click on Blogs, and now they can see the whole website that has been created so far for 6th grade Earth Science at JCS. And when it's time to, they can enter a new post by clicking right here. They can also read any post that has been created by clicking here, as long as it's already been approved by me. So let's just pretend that we're going to do a new post right now. We'll click right here on New Post. And right here is where you'll need to enter a title. And in here is where you will need to enter text. And for the first few weeks, I've asked students to write or to type about 3 sentences for their posts. I know that typing is going to take them a little bit longer, but I really want them to type that information and not for you to type it for them, just to practice keyboarding and so that eventually these posts can get a little bit longer. All right, and then once they are finished completing the post with their response to the prompt in this blog post, they will click this button that says submit for review, and that's when it gets emailed to me so I can review it and approve it before it gets seen online. And as you can see right here, it says this post needs teacher approval because I have not approved this one yet. As soon as I do approve it, it will go onto the main page where all the blogs are shown. However, right now it will not be there because it has not been approved. If you clicked log out, or if you on the main page clicked the parent button instead of the student button, it would bring you to this parent login part page right here. And once you've already, with your student, entered that classroom code, you will be able to select your username right here by clicking on this drop down arrow. I'm not going to click on it now because of privacy reasons, and if you requested a parent code from me, your name is already in here. It's your first and last name as your username with no spaces, and then your password is your student's name, only their first name, and it's all in lowercase. And once you do that, you can log in and you'll basically have the same dashboard page as your student, only you will be able to view what posts they have been posting as well as the comments that other students have been posting on your student's post. And before we wrap things up, I wanted to jump you over to our Earth Science class page. If you look up here, this is the URL for it. It's mmsamath.weebly.com/earth-science.html. You can also find it by just going to mmsamath.weebly.com and clicking on the student page link. So once you get here, this is all the information that your student will use on a regular basis that I thought would be helpful for you. Right now, what's applicable is the KidBlog rubric. If you go ahead and click on that, it will open up a rubric that I will be using to score your student whenever they do a KidBlog post, and that's based on 1, 2, or 3, or 4 points, and it's just very simple. The length of the post, the content of the post, and the timeliness, whether or not it was turned in on time, whether the post answers the question, and the actual sentence length of the post. So this is always available for you, and I will be handing it out to your students in class as well so that everybody's on the same page. Going back one more time to our Earth Science class page is this link right here, which is the KidBlog login. If for some reason you cannot remember the kidblog.org and you can remember our science page, you're more than welcome to click on this link and it'll take you right to the KidBlog homepage that we started at earlier today. This is mostly designed just to be a fun activity for your students and just a different way to expose them to technology. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me. If you're actually on our class website, you can click this mail link right here, and this is a direct link to email me right there. Otherwise, if you have any other questions, please feel free to talk to me after class on Tuesday or Thursday. Thanks so much for your help.